In this video, we'll talk about Python operators. So operators in any of the programming languages are used to perform operations on the operands, or you can say the variables and the values. So the very simple example of an operator is a plus operation, which we call as addition, and a subtraction or multiplication. And similarly, there are different types of operations. So those operations are only possible because of these operators. So in Python, the operators are divided into several categories. So let me name all of those categories. The first category is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. The second category is assignment operators. The third category is comparison operators. The fourth category is logical operators. The fifth category is identity operators. And then comes the sixth category, membership operators. And then the last category is bitwise operators. So these are the different types of categories in which the operators are divided in Python. So let's talk about the arithmetic operators. And in the upcoming videos, we'll talk about the other types of operators. So as the name suggests, to perform arithmetic operations, we use arithmetic operators. So there are 7 arithmetic operators in Python that you can use to perform arithmetic operations. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and then floor division. So these are the 7 different arithmetic operators that you can use in Python. So let's make use of them one by one. So let's perform these operations one by one. So let me just give 2 variables, a equals 100, b. Let's say a equals to 100 and b equals 10. Let's perform different arithmetic operations on these 2 variables. Okay, so I'm directly printing the result of the arithmetic operation. So the first one is a plus b. Okay. The second one, a minus b. Right. Similarly, the third one, multiplication, then division, and then comes modulus, then comes exponentiation, and then comes floor division. Let's see the result of each of these. So I'm just running this program and you can see the result. Okay, so a plus b, 100 plus 10 equals 110. Then a minus b, 100 minus 10 equals 90. And then a multiply b, 100 multiplied by 10 gives 1000. And then a divided by b, 100 divided by 10 gives 10. And you can see 10.0. It gives a floating point, as the result. And then a modulus b, that is 0. Because when 100 is divided by 10, it gives no remainder. So that's why the modulus is 0. So a exponentiation b, that means 100 raised to the power 10 gives this long value. And then a floor division b gives 10. So these are the different arithmetic operators that we have applied on the 2 variables a and b with numerical values 100 and 10.